Hi, I'm Marissa, and I'm a science writer at the American Society for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Did you know that corals are animals? Yep, corals form rock-like structures that provide a home for algae, which give corals their vibrant colors. In exchange, algae feed corals essential nutrients. Lisa Roger at Arizona State studies these amazing creatures along with jellyfish like this one, which is my favorite video ever, and also sea anemones. These are just a few of the corals that Lisa grows in her lab. But corals aren't just pretty to look at. They provide more than 800 million people with food and coastal protection. However, with climate change on the rise, 90% of coral reefs could be destroyed within the next 25 years. Lisa has devoted her career to saving corals from a phenomenon called bleaching. Bleaching occurs when corals lose their algae partners, causing them to become translucent, lifeless skeletons, like this one. Watch my next video to find out what Lisa is doing to save the corals.